Principle number 4. Time is the most valuable asset you have. Use it wisely. So ask yourself, do I have a schedule? If you can't answer yes to that question, you are not in business. Simple as that. Do I have a schedule? If the answer is no, you are not in business. You might be in a hobby, and that's okay too, but you're not in business. You must have a schedule if you're in business. Does my schedule match my promises? Now here's one of the most powerful techniques you will ever learn in your life ever, whether you apply this to business or your personal life. Once you have your promises written out, you should then go to your calendar and make sure that the promises you have set are reflected in your calendar. Why? It's more accountability, right? Why else?
If it's not there, it's probably not going to happen.
If it's not there, it's probably not going to happen, right? Out of sight, out of mind. Okay? Any other reasons?
Promising to prospect at a certain time, it's dedicated, you blocked it out.
There you go. Once something's blocked out, you're much more likely to use that space for its intended use, rather than letting something else get in the way. Okay? Now, in your package, you all have a copy of my schedule. Okay, it's right there. I'm not saying this has to be your schedule. I'm not saying this would be appropriate for everybody. But what you will see there is my schedule is a reflection of my promises. So what I physically carry out on a daily basis is a match to what I promised to do. And this is how you can work 45 hours a week and sell 130 homes a year. Because what you're doing in the time that you are committing to your business is fully productive. That's how you can do it. Could you imagine if right now 2 hours of your day is fully productive and the other 6 isn't? That you could get that from 2 hours to 6 hours of productive time. Well, in 6 hours of productive time, you're tripling your productivity in comparison to what it is right now. So how we use our time is critically, critically important. And is what I'm doing right now an income-producing activity. We gave you these little cards right here. And that's for each of you to take those back and either put them someplace where you'll see them on a regular basis, carry them in your purse, in your pocket. We double-sided these so you just couldn't turn them over and avoid it. And it says, is what I am doing right now an income-producing activity? If the answer to that is no, then what should we do? Change our activity. And you can see here on my computer right here. This is what I use in my office as well. On the left side, there's a card that says, I want to win. And trust me, if you don't want to win, you're going out of business. Okay? And on the right-hand side, it says, is what I am doing right now an income-producing activity. There's a constant reminder. Even for someone like me who's out teaching principles, I still have to be reminded. Because I can lose focus just like anybody else can lose focus. There's a constant reminder there for me to be engaged in income-producing activities.